In this video, I'll show you how to unhide balance on Revolut. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so there are reasons why users like to hide their balance for to maintain privacy, especially in public settings. So to prevent, others from seeing their financial information, and hiding the balance can prevent accidental disclosure of financial details if someone else glances at the app, right? And if you are mindful of your spending habits, hiding the balance can help prevent impulsive spending by not constantly displaying the available funds. So how do we do it? How do we unhide balance on Revolut? Simply go to your account. If you're using your mobile device, open the app and log in to your credentials. Or if you're here at your computer, go to revolut.com, log in to your account, and once you've logged in successfully, we hover here, right, in the help section. So why is your balance blurred, right? So if your balance is blurred, the security setting hiding your balances is likely on. So to switch off, if you're in mobile device, go to the app and go to the top left circle showing your pictures or initials. Go to security and privacy, then go to hide balances. Tap on the toggle to deactivate it and check the main screen. Your balances should be visible again, right? Okay, so to hide your balances, it's the same process, right? So just go to settings, click here, log in. Obviously, I'm not logged into my account, but again, it might be a matter of personal preferences, because some users like me I feel comfortable with a minimalistic view that doesn't prominently display my financial information. So hiding my balance is my preferred choice, all right? And that's how you unhide balance on Revolut. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.